Hello learners. It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about how sound travels. How do you think sound travels? Pause and discuss. Let's find out. For this experiment, you will need a large bowl with a wide opening, a plastic wrap, elastic band, some rice grains or a bottle of glitter flakes, and a music speaker. In this video, we will be using the glitter flakes. You may use rice grains if you wish to carry out this experiment. To set up the experiment, stretch the plastic wrap tightly over the rim of the bowl. You can also put an elastic band around the rim if the wrap is not tight enough. Then, place the glitter flakes on top of the wrap and spread them out evenly. We are now ready for the experiment. Turn on the speaker and bring it close to the glitter flakes. Ensure that the volume of the music is loud enough. Observe the glitter flakes. What is the sound source in this experiment? Pause and discuss.
The speaker is the sound source.
What do you notice about the glitter flakes or rice grains? Did the glitter flakes or rice grains move when the speaker was placed near the bowl? Pause and discuss.
Yes, they move. But teacher, why do they move?
Sound from the speaker causes the air around it to vibrate. This causes the glitter flakes or rice grains to vibrate. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.